Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new and updated Google Calendar events over to ClickUp as new or updated tasks? With ZZBots, you can now install this as a plugin or pre-built bot from our plugin store. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In ZZBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before you finish the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Google Calendar account. After your account is connected, select the calendar that you want to sync from. Next, set up the connection with your ClickUp account. After your account is connected, select the workspace, space, folder, and list that you want to sync to. Then click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. You can disable and re-enable your bot using this toggle button. This pre-built bot consists of 5 steps. The first step will trigger when there is a new or updated event in Google Calendar. The if condition step will check the new or updated event to determine whether it has been synced over to ClickUp. If it has not been synced over yet, your bot will continue on to the new task and update event steps, where it will create a new task in ClickUp and then link it back to the corresponding event in Google Calendar. If the updated Google Calendar event is already linked to a ClickUp task, your bot will continue on to the update task step, where it will update the corresponding task. I will demonstrate how this sync works by creating a few new events in Google Calendar. In ZZBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps of each bot, you will find the bot history. Each time that your bot is triggered, it will create a bot instance. The bot power used by each bot instance will be shown here. Bot power will not be used every time that your bot checks for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered and successfully syncs data from Google Calendar to ClickUp. I will demonstrate further by both creating and updating events in Google Calendar. I will then wait for my bot to check for changes. As you can see here, the new and updated Google Calendar events successfully synced over to ClickUp as new and updated tasks. If you are looking for more ways to automate your business or integrate your different apps together, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.